Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my new muffler that I put on my 2013 Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi. It is the Flowmaster Flow FX. Let's do it. You guys, I'm excited to get this muffler put on the truck. But before we get this video started, if you like detailing videos, product review videos, paint correction videos, how to apply to ceramic coating type videos, mechanical repair videos, which I plan on doing more in the future, because if you've never been on my channel before, I've been a mechanic for over 15 years now. I do that Monday through Friday, and then I detail Saturdays and Sundays. Hit that subscribe button down below, join the Fab family, turn on all notifications, so every time I upload a video, you get notified. So this muffler that I'm gonna put on the truck is a Flowmaster Flow FX. It is made just for this truck, the Dodge, I always want to say Dodge Ram, the Ram 1500, mine's a 2013 Ram 1500. It already has the exhaust hangers built onto it, everything. All you have to do is take the old muffler off, put the new one on, put the hangers on, put your clamps on, and you're ready to go. There's tons of videos on YouTube already installing this exhaust system. So I don't think there's a reason for me to show you guys installing it. So I'm just gonna show you guys before, I'm gonna go install it, and then show you guys after, and so you guys can hear it. I'm so looking forward to doing this because I wasn't planning on putting any loud exhaust system on my truck. So it should be really interesting. I don't want crazy loud. I hope it's not crazy loud. I hope it's just a perfect tone. One thing you have to remember is with factory mufflers, they restrict the flow of the exhaust. And that actually hinders the horsepower of the vehicle. Now, not a ton, but it's going to. You want a free-flowing exhaust system, which is what I'm gonna have once I put this muffler on. I put the cold air intake on, I got all this air coming in, now I need to get all the air to go out, and that's what this muffler is gonna do. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it sounds like before, and let's get this video going. All right, you guys, I'm gonna do a cold start with the factory exhaust. I'll show you that still up here. There's the factory muffler right there. Going all the way down, things humongous. Headphone users, be aware, I am going to rev it up. All right, let's see what she does. All right, so there is that idle on a cold start. I like the rumble of the factory exhaust, but I wanted a better flowing exhaust system. All right, let's rev it up a little bit. All right, you guys, so the exhaust is on. I didn't see a reason to actually show you guys me installing it. There are tons of videos on this exhaust system on YouTube showing people installing them. It's pretty straightforward. The hardest part for me, living in Indiana, we get a lot of rust. The exhaust pipes and stuff were rusted together, so I had to kind of peel them. I had to cut the clamps off because they were just completely rusted, the bolts. They weren't gonna come out. I just cut the bolts off, bent the clamps out of the way, and then I got a pry bar in around the larger part of the muffler where it goes onto the smaller exhaust pipe. And I just got in there and I bent those flanges back and I pulled the muffler off. All in all, the install took me about 45 minutes or so because I had a problem with the clamps that the muffler came with, and I just could not get those things to stop leaking no matter what I did, no matter how I positioned it. And there's really only one way to put these on because there's a little notch on the factory tailpipe that the muffler just goes right over, and they wanted to leak. So what I ended up doing, I ended up taking them off, and a guy I work with went ahead and welded it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a picture right now. This picture was taken with my iPhone, so it's probably not going to be a full screen picture, but look at the difference in size between the old exhaust muffler and the new muffler from Flowmaster. Huge weight difference also. The Flowmaster is a flow straight through. I honestly don't know how it really muffles anything, to be honest with you, because you can look straight through it. Just has some baffles in it, and the sound is absolutely amazing. So let me show you guys what it looks like and what it sounds like. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. The ground's wet, man, it's been raining. Ugh. There she is. As you can see, it is turning purple, the stainless steel. We did tow it this last weekend, about 400 miles. Our camper's with everything in it close to 7,000 pounds, and it likes to stay in 5th gear unless I make it go to 6th at highway speed, so the exhaust is going to get hot. But as you can see, I painted it down here where it was welded. That way the welds don't rust. But right here, I was able to secure it with the clamp, and it doesn't leak up here. So as you can see, the rust on that hook, this is what we deal with in Indiana. That's why it's important to detail your cars here so the bodies don't rust. So there's that view. Let me see if I can show it to you from the other side, because it does say Flowmaster. I mean, it's under your car, who cares? But let's see if I can show it to you from this angle. Probably not. Yeah, there you go. It says Flow FX on it, which is what it's called. There you go. I mean, I love the sound. It's quiet when you want it to be. It's aggressive when you want it to be. So let me show you guys what it sounds like. And then after this, we'll do some drive-bys and stuff so you guys can hear. I wish I would have remembered to do that with the old exhaust on, but too late now. All right, here we go. Let's start her up. Microphone is doing it justice. Sounds really good. Really nice rumble. Let me rev it up for you. Go. As you can see, it is not crazy loud. That is a cold start. Well, I'm hoping that my shotgun microphone, you guys picked up the exhaust as I was going down the street, which I'll know when I do the editing. But I want to give a big shout out to a company where I bought it from called Automotive Exhaust. I'd never bought anything from them before, but I did a bunch of research on the exhaust that I wanted. This was the one that everybody said if you don't want real aggressive, but you want it to be a nice rumble when you want it to be, you know, if I want it to be just cruising through town or at 60 miles an hour on the interstate, I want it to be quiet. And it is. There's a little bit of a drone, not too bad though. But when I get on it though, I want to know that I've got, you know, the engine that I got and the exhaust that I got. Man, it sounds so awesome when you get on it, you guys, especially in the cab. It just sounds so mean. I haven't actually been behind the truck when somebody's driving it, so I'm interested in seeing what these drive-bys sound like. But anyways, when I ordered it from Automotive Exhaust, I think we ordered it on a Sunday night, and Monday they called and they said, hey, look, this is on back order. Flowmaster, you know, because of the COVID-19, they didn't stop production, but it slowed it way down because staff was off of work, and it's going to be a couple weeks. Do you just want to, you know, cancel your order? Do you want to wait? I said, I'll wait a couple weeks. You know, they were really, really nice. So big shout out to you guys at Automotive Exhaust. I'll show you guys the website here in a second. But they said what will happen is when they get done making it, which this product is made in the US of A. It's made down in Tennessee. When they get done making it, they'll just drop ship it to you. And sure enough, within, I think it was only like a week and a half actually, I had it. They made it and shipped it out to me and I had it. They had the absolute lowest price on this exhaust. Everywhere I looked on, whether it's on Amazon, Summit, all these other websites, it's anywhere, it varied from $310 to $340. This is what I paid for it. $264.31, and it's the company right there. It's called Automotive Exhaust, automotiveexhaust.com. They have all kinds of, you can get universal mufflers or whatever you want from them. But that was the absolute best price that I found on this muffler. So if you guys are interested, this is a 2013 Ram 1500. I think it fits up to an 18. I can't see it right now. I think it fits up to an 18, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't an install video, but I absolutely love it. When I bought the truck, I said, okay, I've had loud exhaust in my last 2 trucks. I don't want loud exhaust on this one. Then I installed the cold air intake. I was like, you know, I need to get something to make the exhaust flow better. All that air is coming in. You get all that air out to get out with no restriction, because a restricted exhaust system can actually really bog down the power of a car. But I didn't want a really loud exhaust, so that's why I went with this one. So I'm blabbing on, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's not a detailing video. It's not any mechanical repair video, just showing you guys something that I did to my truck that I thought was really cool. And I plan on doing more mods to my truck here in the future. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button while you're down there. Join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.